Meet the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado, the full-size truck that blends American toughness with modern refinement. Built for hard work, long hauls, and everyday versatility. The new Silverado comes stronger, smarter, and more connected than ever before. Whether you're towing heavy loads, tackling the trail, or just cruising the open road, this truck is designed to handle it all with confidence. On the outside, the 2025 Silverado gets bold styling updates, with a wider front grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a reshaped hood that gives it a commanding look on the road. New wheel options up to 22 inches at presence, while revised bumpers and blacked-out trim on ZR2 and Trail Boss trims give it an aggressive stance. Signature C-shaped DRLs, larger side steps, and active grille shutters improve both function and form, with multiple bed lengths, tailgate options including the multi-flex tailgate, and high-strength steel construction. The Silverado stays true to its utility-first roots. Inside, the cabin is more premium and more practical, featuring a 13.4-inch touchscreen with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a reconfigurable 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. Higher trims include leather seats, real wood or aluminum accents, and dual-zone climate control, while the center console adds more storage and wireless charging. The cabin is quiet thanks to improved insulation, and with USB-C ports, a Wi-Fi hotspot, and a 10-speaker Bose audio system on LTZ. And high country trims, the Silverado turns into a mobile command center for work or play. Under the hood, the Silverado offers multiple powertrain options, including a 2.7-liter turbo, high-output engine with 310 horsepower, a 5.3-liter V8, a 6.2-liter V8 pushing out 420 horsepower, and a Duramax 3.0-liter turbo diesel with 495 lb-ft of torque, all mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission. With up to 13,300 pounds of towing capacity and 2,260 pounds of payload, it's built for real-world tasks. Advanced features like trailer sway control, trailer blind zone alert, and adaptive cruise help make heavy-duty work feel light. Pricing for the 2025 Silverado starts at $38,000 for the WT trim, with higher trims like ZR2 and High Country reaching $72,000 fully loaded. Official listings go live in September, and pre-orders are already open through Chevrolet dealers and online. If you're looking for a full-size truck that delivers strength, smarts, and serious presence, the 2025 Silverado is built to lead from the front. Like the video, subscribe for more expert truck breakdowns, and remember, when it comes to getting the job done, Chevy always shows up.
Collectors. To wrap it up, the 2025 Range Rover motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a new way to experience freedom. It captures the essence of high-class living while embracing rugged capability and independence. If you dream of waking up in the Alps one day and driving through a desert oasis the next, without ever leaving the comfort of luxury, this is the vehicle for you. Don't forget to like this video, share it with travelers and explorers, and subscribe to Graven Cars for more exceptional machines that break boundaries. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next road, wherever it leads.